We'll guide you through how to use the VSCode Hex Editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You need to make sure you've got the Hex Editor extension installed. To do this, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar, or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Hex Editor and look for the one published by Microsoft. Click Install to add it to your VS Code. Once installed, you can open any file in hex mode. Simply right-click on the file in your Explorer and from the context menu, select Open With and then choose Hex Editor. This will display your file in hexadecimal format, which is great for inspecting binary data. You can scroll through the file to view data byte by byte. If you want to edit the file, click on a byte, and you can type to change its value. Remember, editing hex directly can affect the functionality of the file, so be careful. You can also view the ASCII representation of the bytes on the side, which helps in understanding any text data embedded in the file. If you need to revert any changes, simply close the file without saving. For a more seamless experience, you can also customize the editor's appearance and functionality by going into your VS Code settings and adjusting options under Hex Editor. This way, you can tailor it to meet your specific needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.